Porsche with a spoiler. Always want F with one. I don't know why. A Porsche without a spoiler, I don't really care about.
Let's make this one.
I'll destroy you, dog. You saw that? Peeling out like that. Ah, la, la, la. Make a Yui, so I can mark you. Scared? That's what I thought. I like that Tesla. It's kind of like a mug. They don't give an F. That means it doesn't use a blinker. She's like, I ain't about that life. So much feel love that I'm drowning. That's what I like to say. You know, I sometimes wonder, how would it feel to be super duper rich and be surrounded by groupies? Like, what kind of love is that? I'm not super rich or anything, so I don't have groupies. But I've always been curious on how would it be to have groupies. Like, what's the feeling? What type of love is that? Like, do they ask for cash all the time? Like, you gotta empty out your pockets all the damn time? How does that work out? Do you pay them like a paycheck, like a salary? I don't know. Curious. I will find out one day. One thing on my bucket list, once again, I'm sharing my bucket list with you guys, one by one, step by step, spoon feeding you my bucket list. One big thing on my bucket list is I want to find out a hot escort, a super duper hot escort. I want to call her up, ask her for her services, and then when she comes over, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna interview her. I'm not gonna make love to her or any of that stuff. I don't believe in that. No money exchange when it comes to love, because then it's not worth it. You know, in the back of your head, she's just doing it for the cash. She's not doing it because of who you are. Like, I know a lot of you guys want to make love to me because of my personality. It's oozing through the screen when you watch my videos. But yeah, I would love to interview a super duper hot escort and ask her a few questions, or a bunch of questions actually. I'm filled with questions. I got a ton of questions. Ah, hasta la vista, douchebags! Don't mind me. Watch this. Cut! I forgot to pussy yell cut as I passed through, not after I passed through. Has no value then. But yeah, a super duper hot escort. I'm talking like smoking hot. And I want to interview her and ask her about her life. But still, I'm curious, like a cat, or like the monkey, George. And I want to find out. I have a list of like a lot of questions. And it's a cool thing, she'll still get paid top dollar, but she won't have to do any sexual services for me. Unless she falls in love with me. Even then, we can only do a couple of things because once again, herpes. She might be crawling with herpes. The Office. It's a Lambo. Man, Aventador. Come on, cut. Once again, I made a super duper mistake that never be in front of the car you're chasing. We got that on cam, right? We got that on cam. He'll come up. Nimbus, get ready, girl. You did real good, girl. Come on, papi. Alright, so once again, we lost the Lambo because never be in front of the damn car, man. Why don't I ever listen to myself? So we'll have to do some improvisation. Aston Martin. So close to being first. So close. Come on, Aventador. Pop out of there. Pop out of there, girl. Ah, that didn't work. I thought he would cut, but he didn't. Not laugh at me. He wants it, she doesn't. Porsche guy, I know that guy, I've seen him before. Cool thing is, all the time that I've spent in this area, I've gotten to know a lot of people. And they're supercars. He's cool, he gave me the nod. His girl gave me a kiss, but he gave me a nod. Ooh, hotties. Never mind, girls, that's better. They haven't earned the level of hottie yet. Okay, why is that lane going and not mine? What the if? I think I see what I see. see a McLaren. Bye-bye, Aventador! Piece of crap. I'm playing. It was really nice. He did something, right? And the main idea was to chase him. Not really, because the chase was so small. But now we got a McLaren. I don't really see that many McLaren. Okay, funny thing with McLarens, either I see him a lot, or I go for like a dry spell. Like straight up abstinence with McLarens. I never understand that. Why can't there just be an abundance of McLarens everywhere? McLaren's loud. And boom! Alright, I don't know what kind of McLaren it is though. Look, he was staring at me, and now he's staring at the car. Ooh, Ferrari, I just spotted one. I think it's a Ferrari. Ferrari or a red Lambo. We'll see. You guys will see it. I'm telling you, man, I spot everything. Okay, I'm gonna say Ferrari. Let's see if I was right or wrong. And if it's someone who I know, then we're gonna turn around. Yeah, well, you guys will see it. No, yeah, it's a red Lambo. I mean, Ferrari. We good. I was right. I'm not wrong, man. I'm not a douchebag. Well, I am a douchebag, but I'm not wrong. Cool. There you go. Get it all out of your system. Last time I was messing around with the McLaren, I did it in sport mode, so we'll see. It's going pretty fast. I like it. I've never seen this one before. The design, Porsche. It's a mountain. He has the power to cut off anyone he wants to on these streets like I do. Well, I got more of a power because I'm smaller, but he can still cut people off like crazy. Ooh, green Aventador. We're gonna get down and dirty and see what this McLaren can do. I don't know what kind it is. I really don't know. I want to say 720. Okay, my little sane prediction or sane psychicness just came in. Rolls Royce came in, and I feel like he's not gonna do anything. I don't know why I just got it. I can't tell you why, but if you look closely, you'll know why. Look very closely, and you'll know why he won't do anything. At least we caught up to it, right? That's what matters! Not back on the streets! Alright, so I made a new rule. No matter what, I will never pass up on a GTR. Because 99% of the time, they'll F around. And we gotta get out of sport mode. I know I have a rule that whatever mode I'm in, I can't never go down unless the ride's over. But today's an exception. Because I already had a lot of fun today. I want to kind of cool off. I don't want them just to go beast mode on anybody. Hashtag lynch. Why is this place always packed? It's freaking flowers! I don't get it. I see less people at a strip club on a Friday night than this place. I'm not gonna lie, whenever I pass by, it smells so good. I love flowers. If you guys would ever want to give me a present, give me flowers. I love flowers. On Valentine's Day, girls give me flowers instead of me giving them flowers. Because I buy the flowers for them, but then I end up keeping it because I love flowers. They're so pretty. And they smell so delicious. I wonder how they taste though. Bucket list. I want to eat a very good smelling, nice smelling, deliciously smelling plant or a flower. I want to eat it. I'm curious if it smells so good, I'm pretty sure it tastes good too, right? It goes both ways, right? Oh wait, is that blue monster that we saw today? Yep. The loud blue monster. I'm gonna call it blueberry. That blueberry Porsche. Super loud. You see all of our supercars, super bikes, we roll around these areas of Mexico, riding around. Hottie? No, super oldie. Old and gold, man, I can tell you that much. Hottie? Naughty. And not naughty like, ooh, naughty and nice, but like naughty like no. N-O-T-T-I-E. Naughty. How long does it take to finish up construction? Seriously, guys, how long does it take? I can do it, man. Give me a freaking hammer and no, give me a drill. I've always wanted to drill through concrete. Bucket list. It will happen one of these days. No, that's the light I want. It doesn't open for motorcycles. I need cars there. Damn it. People. I can't tell you how many times I've punished this car, man. Can't tell you how many times. It thinks it can take on me. My bad. Nimbus. Nimbus has destroyed her. Destroyed it. Ooh, cut. I'm done lying, I'm done trying. I don't know, I ain't feeling Drake. Lately, I'm just not feeling Drake. Tunchi, Bobby. But I'm feeling Nicki. I always feel Nicki. Nicki my girl. Nicki my big booty girl. Oh, I still would be a supercar pulls out. Come on, dog. I believe. I'm licking my lips and nobody knows. She wants it. I saw that look. She gave me those bedroom eyes. And I know she was wearing sunglasses, but I can still see through. I can see them. I'll catch bedroom eyes through the wall. Ooh, Ferrari. Look at that. Mexico is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. I've been listening to Dedication 6 for months now on repeat. It's too damn good. What up, dog?
I'm feeling like a doctor. Yeah.
I've been smoking on the gas. Focus on the gas. All we need to see is a Lambo. Oh no, a Ferrari. Ooh, Ferrari, I just said Ferrari. Go. I think there's a Ferrari up here. Where'd it go? Damn it, it's right there. I missed it. I didn't see it, man. It was right there in the left lane. That's Kanye right there. That's Kanye. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be in the front of the line, but it wasn't. It's right there if you guys can see it. Audio alright? No, we'll pass. I had to, otherwise the light would have closed and I wouldn't be able to get him through. We passed on the auto rate because he's with a girl. I don't know, it's an auto rate. I just don't give enough about it. Okay, old lady, you're supposed to press a button. Old people, man. There's a button you're supposed to press so people know. What if I was popping a wheelie? Alright, yes, I don't know how to wheelie, but what if? It's hypothetical. Like you guys should always fantasize if you guys were saying, because you want to be in my body. You want to be inside me. Same thing, just a different day. Out here trying to get it each and every way. I want her. She looks pretty. Never mind, I pass.
Let's make this one. Let's make this one. Let's make this one.